welcome to another video by me, Steve Clues. This is just a quick review of this cable here, right? I don't normally review cables, but I thought to review this one because it's that good. It's probably the best one in the world. As you can see, it's nicely designed, nice package. These cables you can buy on Amazon. Now they are £17, this cable is, but they're well worth the money because it'll basically last you forever. This is a S58 model. I'll put the link in the description below of where you can actually buy this USB cable from. This is for Android phones, but they also do an iPhone version as well as this, so let's check them out, check the company out basically. Sometimes I put all the links below in the description. Just look at this lead. I can't believe it. It's nice. Sometimes it's really nice packed. It's actually hard to open actually. It's really nice. The thing is, it's not plastic as well. It's metal. Also, when you pull it, if you pull it, look, if I could zoom in the camera, if you pull it, it's dead strong. On the ends, the metal ends and all, not plastic ends as well. As you can see at the end here, look, when you bend it like that, don't break like other ones. Other ones just tend to break about there, the cheap pound ones. Some say these are £17, but I think they are worth the money. That's the other end again, metal again. So you say, just look at that. I can't believe it. I've never had a cable this strong before. Also, I've tried to cut these with scissors as well, and I just find it really hard to cut. They're really hard cut as well. I'm not going to cut it because I'm not going to break it, but they're really hard cut, so they're really hard to break. These will basically last you. One of them cables will last you for years, so you're going to save money in the long run. Thanks for watching this review anyway. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. See ya.